Hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to this new week for Side Jump Pop Marathon Madness. Happy Monday night. Um, Marathon Matt, we're going to start out with season 9, episode 35. So, this is 11th grade. Monday Madness 2. And then season 3, episode 21, math issues. Starting the week crazy. And this is that's 8th grade. So let's do season 9, episode 35, um, Monday Madness 2. So let's begin. So in this episode, he starts out, he gets breakfast quickly, and then he gets on the Hartman bus. And then he gets to Hartman. Today is an early childhood education day with Miss Higgins. So today, the first half, they just do some lesson plans, their weekly calendar, and then they have their 15 to 20 minute break where they get snacks, where Hunter finishes breakfast because they don't have time on the bus sometimes, or sometimes he gets occupied doing other things on the, like listening, watching TikTok or something on the bus, or instead of eating. But anyway, in the second half, they finish their calendar and whatnot, and then they get all the tools and supplies and prepare for their lessons for the week, for the preschool week, for that week. And then the bell rings for Hartman, and they head back to um, the school. They do the study hall, and then lunch, and then they have. Oh, I forgot to mention lunch. But in the morning, before he gets to the high school, and then before he gets to all that, he does his weekly pyramid. Today is Monday; it's pyramid day, so he reveals it, and then okay. Now we're back to lunch. So he goes to lunch. He has the Burrhead weekly meeting, daily meeting, Monday meeting with the Burrhead. He does shows the members the pyramid at lunch, and they chit chat about the weekend. They chit chat about the upcoming week. But there's some madness. There's some boyhood drama that there always is about the pyramid, about jealousy and this random drama. It's kind of crazy. There's some Monday madness. It's just crazy. But he goes to lunch and he eats his lunch, his Chinese chicken, and calms down and watches TikTok and does some games on his phone and then cools down from the Monday Madness drama. And then he goes to science with Mr. Mindock, Mr. Miller, the student teacher. They do their bell work and then lesson, activity, blah, 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 normal. And then put in an Algebra 2, Mr. Stephen, they do again a lesson and then that's it. And then he goes to resource with Oswald, work on their Algebra 2 assignment, gets it done. It's madness, it's stressful. But they get through it, he gets through it. Kind of, but it's madness, it's maddening, it's stressful. Oh my god. But he gets through it, and then he goes to U.S. history with Wild Village. They have their bell work and the lesson, and then at 3:30, the bell rings for the day. He heads home, and that's it. Season 3, we're going 8th grade. Season 3, episode 21, math issues, starting the week crazy. So this is Monday. So he goes, gets his breakfast, goes to the gym, reveals the the pyramid to the Birdhead members at the gym. Then he goes to the Breakfast Club or Savage Club, whatever Birdhead with everyone, and does their pyramid for them. And Erica just chats with Hunter, and they chat about the weekend. They chat about whatever. And then they do some activities and games, finish their breakfast, and have fun. Then they go to the first period, language arts. He talks to some friends and some Burhan members at that, before class, and then they have their bell work, and then their activity, and then second period reading with Miss Warnock. Um, um, They do their lesson and activity. And then here we go, the math issues. Okay, bell work, with Pre-Algebra, Miss Cornell, bell work, lesson, and then activity, assignment time, and it's stressful. There's all the issues with math. We're always starting to week crazy. But the bell rings, he goes to lunch, has the Burton meeting, shows the Weston members that weren't there this morning the pyramid, which is crazy. But they chat at the weekend, chit chat, have fun, eat their Chinese chicken, and then go to study hall, and then science with Miss Fairchild. They do bell work, and then they have an lesson and an activity. Same old choir, same old geography with wild language, same old stuff. Resource, the math issues get even worse where they're doing the assignment with Jennifer, and then you add on, I mean, with Erica, then you add on Jennifer, Kayla, and then you add on Hannah, which is always chaotic. So it's just very stressful. It's very chaotic, and they're having issues all day in the week. It's driving crazy, but Erica helps them through it. They get the assignment done. The bell rings at 3:45, and then he goes home and sways the night away. And that is it for this Marathon Madness. See you Tuesday night for another episode of Sajon Bach Marathon Madness. I'll see you then. God bless and protect all of you, and I'll see you for the next episode. Bye for now.